What is up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to make dollar bills without any money. Here we go. Alright, so first step, you're gonna want to go to the bank. I can't actually film inside my bank, so I'm just gonna put a little, diagram of me walking up to the bank and imagine me getting this money out. Okay? I have about $50 in ones right here. So, I mean, it's not a ton of money. You can do it in tens, fives, ones, 20s, hundreds, whatever you want to do. All right, I have $50 in ones right here, and all you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna want to look through them, literally just like this, kind of just looking and looking and looking and looking, and then I just dropped one. Maybe it's special right here. As you can see right here on this bill, let's zoom in for you guys. Boom. Here we go. See right here how it has 3 sevens in a row? Everybody knows 3 sevens is lucky. So, you find one with 3 sevens, boom, more than $1 right there. 3 fives or 3 sixes in a row, anything really triple in a row is worth money, okay? See these numbers right here? This is 77 and this is 76. All of the numbers match up. These were printed right after another, so they were pretty much just like this, and then the machine cut them in half, and boom, they turned into these bills. These bills are worth money. Here I'm gonna put some eBay pictures of the triple numbers as well as the sequential numbers is what they're called. These are worth money, and these are worth money. And then, you know what you do? You take these back into the bank and you deposit these back in. So technically, you didn't spend any money because those will sell on eBay and these go back into the bank. These sell for about maybe 3 times what they're worth, so maybe $3 or $4. Make $3 on $1. That's pretty good. You do that 20 times, $30. Do that over and over again, $300. Pretty good. Anything pretty much just like that. I'll give you guys some more bills that you should look for. Here we go. Here are some more bills that I found at the bank. This bill right here, as you can see, it's a different color than a normal 5. Here is a somewhat normal 5. This one's a little bit older, but it's still pretty normal. You've seen it before, I bet. Here is an older 5. This one is actually from 1953, and obviously, I mean, you could tell it's pretty old. It's, different color, and see right there, that little star. I'll show you guys a newer bill. This one also has a little star. This one is from, I believe, this one is from 1999, still pretty new. You can still get these in circulation. However, this one, since it has this little star right here, what that means is that this bill was damaged or written on, or this bill was damaged and had writing on it or something. Maybe it was missing like 4 corners or something. So what the National Treasury does is they burn it and then they reprint it and they make a little star on it. I believe that's what happens, I'm pretty sure. Maybe that's fact check me, but I'm pretty sure. So that's what happened to both of these bills. This one is from the 50s, however, worth about $10, $20. And this one is from 1999, worth about, I don't know, $10, $8. Depends on the condition as well. Anything pretty much a different color. You got red, you got blue. Sometimes there's other shades of green, like lighter green. And any bill from the 90s. This one is from 90, I believe 99. This one is from 95, and as you can see, it's still pretty decent. This one would probably go for about $4 or $5, and I got this bill actually from the bank. All I went and took $100 out in ones, found this one, took it out. I could sell it out right now for probably $2, maybe $3. Pretty simple. $101 from 100. Pretty good. Making money off of no money because there's no risk. You can take all the money in, or take all the money out, and then you can go put it back in if you lose, if you don't find anything good. That's the simplest way to do it. And that is how you make money with no money. Pretty easy, pretty quick video. Just wanted to show you guys. It's pretty easy. Now we're gonna go take this money back to the bank. So here we go.